What's going on, guys? Happy Friday. Tonight's topic is going to be about how to support your woman, whether that be. Wait a minute. Y'all hear that?
But maybe I need to be.
Yeah, I hear
No more
something.
questions since they never needed me. I ain't giving no handouts. Yeah, you want to pay the fee. Even if you stand out, give a fuck cause it's all the same to me. Time is money, so I've been investing in people who constantly show me consistency. But if you don't show it, then I'm on the road. The next one to show some efficiency. We not the same when it comes to this shit. I want some M's, you want a new bitch. I'ma go get it and split it with Ken, and then I'ma do it all over again.
Oof, man. Hold on, I had to throw a little heat check up in here. Listen, my boy Johnny Lee. Um, we were talking last night. He was showing love on the podcast and whatnot. Back in my Denny's actually episode when I said that me and one of my boys we left and went to Olive Garden, that this is the dude I was talking about, by the way. Um, Yay, if you like that heat, if you like that song, go check out his page, man. Go follow this man, bro. I'm proud of him and everything he's doing with his music, bro. And look, I'll be honest, when a lot of people like have music and stuff and they doing this music thing, it be trash. Be trash as well, but no, this is fire, bro. Like I'm keeping it a book. Like this is fire. Like, so please go follow him, go show some support, show some love. I always show support. I show love to the ones who support me. And you know what? That's what it's gonna be. So shout out Johnny Lee. Keep doing your thing, my boy. Uh this episode, back to what I was saying before that heat just got dropped. Today, so we're talking about how to support your women. Now, I always had this idea of, like, or men, a lot of us in general, we have this idea, we always try to be the fixers and everything. We try to fix every situation. We try to, hey baby, what you need? I'm here to fix it, because that's, you know what I mean? It's in our nature, it's what we do. But sometimes that's not what they want from us. Sometimes all they need is just those words of encouragement. Sometimes they just need a hug. Sometimes us going and trying to fix the situation, sometimes they want to fix it themselves. They want to show that they can do it, but anyway, we're gonna let Mina and I, we're gonna get into that in this one. But anyways, like I said, if you like that song, go check out my boy Johnny Lee's page, and enjoy the rest of the video.
Oh, next.
Yeah, but but it's hard sometimes what happens when we as a band feel like we're doing everything to support you, to be there for you, to do everything to help you get to that point? Because obviously we can't do it for you. At the end of the day, like, you have to do it for yourself.
What do you consider supporting? What do you consider as a male supporting a female?
Okay,
so I'm going through life, okay? I'm gonna put it into my scenario, perfect scenario, okay? I lost a job during COVID. I went through still going through this divorce and having two households and all this other stuff, right? The only thing I have going for me, of course, is my gym. I'm able to go to my gym every day. I'm falling apart thinking that I'm failing because I went from, making all this money, doing all these things, meeting all these people, being surrounded by all these networks, and, just really being successful, or what I thought was successful at the time, to now I'm going to COVID hit and now I'm down in the dumps. So what are you doing as a man to show me that you're supporting me?
Ooh, yo, that's tough. So as a man, like, if you see your woman, like, going through all these things in life, number one, you have to be there. Like, you have to be ready to be there, like, every day, no matter, what it is. You have to be ready and available.
What aspect is every day? Because I feel like sometimes that's overwhelming, because sometimes you have to just be.
That's hard. So you have to feel it out. That's about knowing your woman, knowing your partner. Like, every relationship is different, but in a general sense.
So Mexican says,
I'll be doing things that will build you up.
Yeah, exactly. Things that will build you up. So I definitely appreciate that. And I think that is something that's very valuable, because it's not making me feel like you're trying to fix me, right?
That's
you're
what I was gonna
allowing
get to. We can't
you're
be a
allowing me
fixer.
to be,
Yeah.
right? You're allowing me to be, you're allowing me to learn, you're allowing me to not pity myself, but kind of sit in where I'm at and grow by myself, but also you're gonna support me and you're gonna be there for me, and just like he said, you're gonna build me up, right? I'm gonna know that you're here for me. But I think the thing about be there every day, like maybe in some aspect, but that's why I said, what does that look like? Because I don't want to be overwhelmed,
Smothered, yeah.
or I don't want to be coddled. I don't want to be, you know what I mean? Like, oh my gosh,
That's
I
what
have
I'm
to
saying.
accept
You
this
have
guy's
to-
call again. He's just gonna ask me what I'm doing. Yes, I'm still job searching. Yes, nothing has changed. Yes, you know what I mean? You get overwhelmed because it's like, I'm trying to handle my own stuff. I'm trying to handle it. I don't need you to handle it. I just need you to listen, and I just need you to, you know what I mean? Just support me.
Yeah.
And so that's where I'm saying, as a man, what does that really look like?
That's what I was
I mean,
getting to.
obviously, I
Yeah.
didn't tell you this inside information because I wanted to hear your little, but
Yeah, I was getting to that, like, about the fixing thing. Like, obviously,
just be
we wouldn't.
available, here for what you need when you need me, but not smother. Yes.
Yeah.
Not be a crutch. That's a big one too,
Yeah,
for sure.
I'm saying, like, not getting to the fixing thing, like being there without trying to step in and fix the situation. But I'll put it in an analogy, like your life is like this house. Let's say your life is this house, represents this house, and this house is, you're falling apart. There's boards coming out. There's, you know, the doors are coming loose, whatever, and stuff like that. Everything's just falling apart. It's not, but it's not finished. It's not finished. Because you're still not finished. This is an unfinished house, but things are, you know, your progress that you've been making on it is just coming down. There's wood falling here, glass breaks today. You know, tomorrow 2 doors get broken. Tomorrow you go to work, you lose
We
this.
get it. Okay, go.
So as a man, like, dealing with a woman in that situation, rather than trying to put more onto this house that's been breaking down, we try and just be the glue, at least, that holds you at least together until you get to a point where you can start building up on this house again. So look, I noticed the door is broken or whatever. Oh, let me just screw that back in for her. Let me help her, do this glue this back together, something like that. I'm not adding more to this.
But I think that's then hindering the woman's progress, because Nicole was saying, like, we can do everything on our own.
Of course you
right?
can. That goes into any relationship.
But that's where, if
you
you're in the house and you're trying to be the glue, it's almost like you're holding everything together. And then it's almost like, what am I supposed to do then? I don't have a job anymore. Or I don't have anything to do. I don't have anything to work on, because now you're fixing it all. It's still the same fixing, right? If you're glue, if you're whatever, it's still trying to fix something, right? It's not just being there and being like, hey, cool. You're pointing stuff out, like, oh, the door is broken. Here, let me fix that. Oh, here, let me fix that. You're not just being like, hey, what can I help you with? I see that you got this all handled. I see that this is taken care of. Is there anything else that you need? Do you need something to eat? Do you need some groceries? Do you need more tools? Do you need more nails? You know what I mean? Where that's the actual support, not, hey, let me go do this while you're doing this. You know what I mean? Because the glue is still temporary, because now you're a crutch. Now you're holding everything in place, right? So that I can see, oh, wow, there still is a lot of work to be done. But I'm not doing the work because now you're holding it. So what do I have to do? I don't have anything to do because now you're holding it. You're supporting it. You're gluing it.
Yeah, that's why I say it's hard about, like, being in the action, because everybody's, like, situation is different. But
that's why I gave you an actual. That's the problem. We're focused on the problem sometimes, and why did it happen, instead of focusing on the solution. Yes. It's more of, hey babe, want to learn together on how to hang a door. Yeah, exactly. So it's just, I mean, it's finding that balance, but that's where I'm saying, how do you as a man find that support? But so that is where communication is key.
Yes.
Because
talking about it.
I need to be able to let you know you're doing too much. I don't need glue. I don't need you to hold this stuff together. I'm well aware that this house is falling apart. I'm well aware of all. I actually have a list. All those things that you think I didn't know. No, I already have that list. I already have that on order from Amazon, from Home Depot, from all these things. I'm just waiting for them to arrive. All I need you to do is sit here with me and wait for them to arrive. Somebody write that down.
Waiting for the tools from Home Depot. The tools that God sent you, the tools. Use them. Use them tools. But there's a big hug.
I'm still focused on why the door's broken. Oh my gosh. The door's
That's how you enter the house. It's broke. Like,
hearing that thing will get better. Sometimes a hug is all what. Yes, that is it right there. Sometimes a hug is all we need. Like when I vent to you and I'm telling you all the things that's wrong in my day, and you're in your head as a man, this is what I assume you guys are doing.
Sometimes
you are thinking about, how can I fix this so that she can stop talking, or that she can stop being upset.
Whoa, not
just that. I'm saying.
We want you to be better.
Okay, wait. So she can stop being upset. How can I fix this, right? And you're just not even present. You're not even listening anymore. You're trying to fix the situation. And all we want is literally like to vent, and then it's like, give us a hug, and then it's over. You know what I mean? Obviously, it's not over, but the feeling passes, because feelings are temporary, right?
Except for love.
Feelings are temporary. Love, I'm not sure. That's a whole nother.
It's a feeling.
Love is a feeling, but it's also an action.
Yes.
Boom. So, love as a feeling, yes, can be temporary, but love as an action, I think, does last
Hire
longer.
a Pisces, they fix everything for a case of Corona and a few bucks. Oh my god.
Yes, spices are the glue that keeps America going.
Yeah.
Don't build that wall though. So, anyways,
Oh my goodness. Yeah, it's hard. It's
so that's what I'm saying. Sometimes that's
'Cause I've been in
all
that
it is.
situation
Is like
before.
all we want is a hug. That's
Yeah.
it. We want to vent. We want to let it go, and then we just want to hug, and then it's like, all right, let's go. And it probably seems like we're bipolar or have some kind of issues or whatever, because we can literally be like, okay, let's go. You know what I mean? Like, what were we doing? Or
it's tough. It also depends like
Yes,
what stage
Chris,
of the relationship you're in also, because it's like I'm thinking at it from a point of like I'm in a committed relationship with this person already, and we're already a team. We're already this, and we're we've already, not as in like you have a person who you're not like
no, you're
married
always
yet,
not, but no,
you know what I mean?
Regardless,
I'm thinking of like you've been in it for like, let's see, 5-10 years.
It doesn't matter.
type
You're
stuff,
still always learning about that person. That person is still always growing and evolving, just like you're always growing and evolving. So you're never going to be that same person the next day. Never mind the next year. So you're always going to constantly have that conversation, or you should be having that conversation, so that you can continue to grow and learn about that other person. That movie could have been so much better. He had so much potential. Oh my gosh. Solj and Mexican are having their own. Okay, shot time. Yeah, no, I don't drink anymore. So we can't, well, I mean, we can have a shot of water, but his girl's calling him, he's in trouble. Yeah, right? You're right. No, we have 2 more people joining us. They're actually a couple. So it should be pretty fun to hear a couple's point of view on some of our questions. But does anybody have any questions or comments or anything that I can answer while he's going to grab them? Anybody? Now, I'm showing love to Facebook, showing love to Instagram, showing love to YouTube. Hey. Couple. Just one couple. Why don't you drink anymore? So I gave up drinking just this year. Before that, I wasn't drinking because I'm trying to get gains and muscles, and I'm trying to be, my best muscular to fat ratio self. Now that you're alone, yeah, I guess I would probably drink myself to who knows what. Typical woman, that's funny. So I chose not to drink just because I want to continue to keep my muscle mass. I want to stay lean, and alcohol turns to sugar, and it doesn't do my body good. So that's why I chose not to drink. I also am making sure that I am in a place or a state of happiness and joy. So I don't think I need drinking in order to do that.
Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed that one. Tomorrow's topic, we got what do we got? Men playing games and platonic friendship. Mina had a little spicy question for me and the boys, so we're gonna go ahead and answer that tomorrow. And then Saturday, Sunday, we got a little double going on about online dating, so stay tuned for that. Oh shoot, wait, today is Sunday and Monday, before Mental Health Monday Reno edition happens. I'm gonna be dropping the double part. It's 2 parts about online dating, so yeah, stay tuned for that. And yeah, I'm out. Stay happy, hydrated, all that good stuff. I'm out of here. Peace.